Welcome back, Playmobil Pals, to another unbagging video. Today we are taking a look at Series 29. Let's check it out. Oh boy, have I been waiting for this. This is probably the fastest I've ever gotten a new set of series figures. They just were released not too long ago, and yeah, I just happened to find a few and grabbed them. So today we are looking at set 72028. This is Series 29 girls figures. We're going to be looking at 3 of them today. I have not done the feel test, so I have no idea who to expect. I did notice that this bag out of the 3 is the biggest. This one probably is either full of air, like a bag of chips, or it has a lot of pieces. And the only one that looks to have a lot of pieces is probably the Knight. That would be my first guess. The Witch, but I don't feel anything that would resemble a witch's hat. Or the, I don't know what this is here, some sort of sorceress or queen or whatever it is, but either way, we're going to check that out. You know what, since I got this one, let's go ahead and do this one first. Here's the back of the package. Oh, well, that was totally unexpected. Oh my gosh, this is even more unexpected. So it is the Witch. But check this out. I have never in my entire life of collecting clickies have ever gotten 2 sets of legs, bottom torsos. That is too funny. This is a really nice figure though. I really like it. No, I don't care much for the spider necklace, as I'm not a big fan of spiders. But still, it's really nice. Nothing to see on the back, but check out the detail on that dress. That's really nice. Alright, let's move on to number 2. This one doesn't have quite as much stuff, so I'm guessing maybe, if I had to guess, country singer or Girl Scout. Oh, neither. As you can see from the torso here, the upper torso, there's snowflakes on it. So that is what leads me to believe that it's a snow queen. Her ice dress as well has got these snowflake designs too. Oh, I did just notice that there's 2 heads. So I got 2 figures with 2 sets of doubles. And that is always a welcome thing. I don't mind extra pieces ever, especially since I like to customize. Wow, that is cool. Ugh. And then she has this purple crown. That's really nice. Just roll off her head. Roll off my finger too. It's just kind of weird though. I mean, the only purple you see on her is the crown and this silly little wand thing. I guess the shape of the stars here is just supposed to kind of give it the impression like she's waving it, and it's just being trailed by a series of stars. So that's kind of interesting. And then she has this like amethyst rock that I guess she holds. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Almost poked an eye out. That's cool. That's another win. I like this figure. Kind of reminds me of Elsa, but not really. Backside ain't much to look at, but it's still really cool. And then the hair is like a very light pinkish hue. Okay, so here's number 3. This one's kind of busy too. I can feel several pieces in here. I hope it's not a repeat of this one, because I don't know. Oh, it's a witch. We got the witch again. Well, I can't complain, because there's always the chance of getting doubles. And, you know, it happens. And that's okay. That's quite alright. So yeah, here are the 3 girl clickies that I have for today's unboxing. Yeah, I'm normally kind of disappointed in, you know, on the unbaggings when I get doubles, but I like this witch figure too much to be too upset. And the fact that they're arranged this way, it looks kind of cool. The purple in the witch's outfit matches the purple on the Ice Queen's the wand and crown. Now before I forget, and I don't normally go through these, but here is the insert that comes with our Series 29 figures, and then gives you an idea of what they look like when they're fully assembled. But this is pretty cool. I like this. And then here's the other side. Anyway, I hoped you guys liked this unbagging video, but wait, there's more. We've got a boys figure. This is Series 29, set number 72027. This is the boys, and we've got quite a few cool looking things going on here. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. My hunch is the virtual gamer. I really want the X-ray guy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and see what we've got in store for us today. Whoa. Check this out, guys. We've got a totally new head style. And it seems we got the gamer today. Now, I'm not sure, but we did get duplicates of these. These are the virtual game controllers. Here's the virtual reality helmet. That is pretty awesome. Here we get a very small black watch. This is my first time seeing a black watch. It seems we're supposed to get only one of these virtual reality controllers, and the reason why I say it is because, well, we have the controller here, the other one, but we also have this right here. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but it doesn't matter. I'm guessing this is all he is supposed to have, but I welcome the extra controller because maybe he is supposed to have it. Here he is on the front, nothing printed on the back. I do like his shirt, but I really dig his belt buckle there. It's in the shape of a gaming controller. Not a bad figure. Definitely makes up for the fact that I got a doubles for the girl. I'm only looking at these because it's a new line of figures. I don't normally look at these, but here we have the pictures of all of the Series 29 guy figures. And that is pretty cool. And then here's the opposite side. Alright guys, and that is it for this edition of our unbagging videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. By the way guys, which one of these was your favorite? Let me know, leave a comment below. Until then, we've got more on the way and we will see you guys very soon. Thanks a lot for watching everybody, have a good day and we'll see you right here on Playmo AF. Bye bye.